welcome back to the channel everyone. I know about you, but I was super excited as last week dropped. So it was week 4, it was Supreme collab with Public Enemy and also Undercover. So it was a big drop. They had a lot of items. I couldn't resist myself. I went for 3 t-shirts for myself. So this is the first one, the Terrordome. This one is probably the least sought after t-shirt. I don't know why. Maybe because of the skull or the color green, but honestly I found this one pretty cool. Now let's take a look at the size tag. So you see the Undercover logo right above Supreme. Size large, 100% cotton, and at the back, pay attention, same thing. It says COTON and not TTON. And underneath all those instructions, you have Supreme in that like semi-gloss kind of material. So this is how usually a real tags looks like. And now let's take a look at the graphic. This graphic reminds me of another Undercover product that they did before with that little skull, but now this time they use the Public Enemy logo with their crosshair. At the back here, you have Undercover and Supreme on the neck area, which is a nice touch I find. The second tee here is the White House tee. This one is probably the most sought after tee. Like all other photo tees, they're always super hyped up and everybody wants it. And the size tag is exactly the same. You have Undercover logo, Supreme, and 100% cotton written correctly. At the back, again, we have that COTON. We are not sure if it's a typo of English or if it's a French word, but this is how all the 2018 tags looks like. In the front, in the photo tee, you have Chuck D right in front of the White House. Super awesome. There's a lot of meanings behind this. And at the back, you have Fear of the Black Planet, Public logo, the crosshair, and the counterattack World Supremacy. All these are Public Enemy stuff. And at the very bottom, you have Undercover and Supreme. And that's about it for the White House tee. This one is my favorite of all these 3 tees. Now this one is the third one. We have your Blow Your Mind tee. Some people find this one a little bit too basic, but I think this one was pretty cool. Again, the size tag, I'm not going to go in detail. You have that cotton and cotton and whatever, all those stuff. And in the front, you have Public Enemy in diagonal. It's not a new graphic. They did that one before. And at the back, it's where it shines. You have Blow Your Mind. You have that Undercover classic no face woman, but they replace it with a crosshair. At the bottom, you have Undercover Supreme. That's what I like about this tee. It's really at the back, not the front. Now, these two are XL. They're not my size. I copied for someone else. And just to let you guys know, I have a friend who will be doing some proxy service for people in Asia. So if you live in Asia and you want some Supreme, check out the description below. His WeChat contact gonna be there. And now take a look at the stickers that I got for free. The first one is Fear of the Black Planet, nothing at the back. And this one is the graphic they use in the album. The second one is the photo tee icon with Chuck D, and you have all those Public Enemy slang logos and Undercover logo on the corner. This one is super sick, but nothing at the back. Again, I was expecting to have some logos at the back. This one I'm not even gonna mention it. You guys know what it is. And the last one is the special box logo we got for this one. I'm super happy they gave me 2 of these. I was super excited because you guys know I love box logo stickers, especially those special ones, and I collect them all. Now, very last thing, this is a sad story. It's not just a piece of trash paper. It's supposed to be a poster, but UPS, the delivery service, they just don't care what it is. They just throw it away, fold them, whatever the heck they want to do with it, right? But all in all, this graphic is used on other items of this drop. They have it in hoodie, parka. It's a nice graphic, but not a lot of people like it. It might be a little bit too sci-fi. Doesn't really suit the whole vibe that they want with this drop. I agree, to be honest. I didn't cop anything with that graphic, and that's all I have for this drop for you guys. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Did you cop anything on this drop? If yes, let me know in the comment section below which item was your favorite. And before you leave, please remember to give me a like and remember to subscribe if you have not already. If you have any question about Supreme or sneakers, feel free to comment below. I'll try my best to answer your questions. Peace.